In front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear at the top right corner. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on, log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Now click on Select App, tap on the chosen one, and enter all of those informations. You can also type in any website instead. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!